Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 3. Me Samra Rashid, your science teacher here in BFC Nushair Afroz. Dear students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Dear students, welcome back to our science class. Dear students, today we are going to revise exercise number 1 on book page number 66. बेटा आज हम रिवाइज करेंगे एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1 ऑन बुक पेज नंबर 66. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अगर किसी स्टूडेंट्स की ये एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट नहीं है तो फर्स्ट आपको क्या करना है, ये एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट करनी है, आफ्टर मेमोराइज करनी है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट चूज़ द करेक्ट आंसर. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ दीज इज़ नॉट अ फोर्स? पुश, पुल, ग्रेविटी, लाइट. So dear students, correct answer is option D, light. Which of these can a force do? Change the shape of something, slow something down, speed something up, all of these. So dear students, the correct answer is option D, all of these. Third is the force present when two surfaces rub together is called friction. Okay. Next is cycling faster creates a force that will make a bicycle speed up. Okay, the force that pulls everything down to the earth is called gravity. Okay, dear students, next exercise is exercise number 4. Fill in the missing blanks using the correct words, phrases from the brackets. Dash is a natural force. So dear students, wind is a natural force. Okay, a horse cart moves due to a force produced by horse. Okay, the force of gravity keeps everything firmly on the ground. A dash is the force applied to the pedal on a bicycle is called push. A dash is the force applied when someone applies the brakes on a bicycle, pull. When the brake pads rub against the wheel dash slow the bicycle down is called friction. Dear students, now today's your homework is memorize exercise number 1 and 4 on book page number 66 and 67. बेटा आपको क्या करना है, एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1 और 4 मेमोराइज करनी है और इसका टेस्ट करना है आपको. ओके, और ग्रुप में पिक्चर सेंड करनी है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, वी विल बी कंटिन्यू अवर नेक्स्ट क्लास टुमारो. ओके, थैंक यू, अल्लाह हाफिज़.